Here we go.
Communicate with you because of the noise of this engine. But I want to let you notice as the nozzles now are being swung down to 90 degrees straight down, you'll be able to hover in place. This is your United States Marine Corps AFB Harrier demonstration you put on for us here, and tell us a little bit about how you make it hover in place.
Well, Rob, I can control the thrust from the thrust vector with a nozzle that I've got by the throttle, and then there's some reaction controls that actually dump hot weight gas to the wingtips and the nose and tail of the aircraft to maintain control.
So you can make it dance like an absolute ballerina.
Yeah, you can say that, Rob.
All right, sir. Well, I'll let you cool things down. I'll talk to the people a little bit, but thanks for being here and thanks for holding on so long to do your demonstration for us.
Yeah, no problem, Rob. It's my pleasure to come out to Little Rock and be able to show off the Harrier to the great people of Arkansas. And in about 1 more minute, I'm going to see if I can't make it go straight up for you.
Very good, sir. Straight up. We're looking for it. All right, now let's watch.
Sit there and max power like that for so long.
Yeah.
You gotta let the knobs and stuff cool off.
As Captain Selmo cools the engine down and then attempts a straight up takeoff. What you are going to see in this takeoff, chances are because of the heat today, you might see what appears to be smoke coming from the exhaust. It will help give you an idea of how the nozzles are pointed, but it will also indicate to you that he's actually injecting water, distilled water, into the engine to cool